Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Tubani using black eye beans. If this is something you are interested in, then kindly watch to the end. Let's get right into the video. So here I have some black eye beans. I'll first of all take out the ones which are not good. Then after that, I'll transfer the quantity I want to use into a bowl. Then I'll wash it thoroughly and soak it for about 3 to 4 hours. After about 3 to 4 hours, this is what the beans look like. So it's now very soft and it will be easier for us to blend. I'll transfer this into a blender. Add water which is at the same level with the beans, then I'll blend. If you don't want your Tubani to be soft, then you can add less water to the beans when blending. But this is okay for me. So I'll blend this into a fine paste, then I'll transfer it into a bowl. Now that we have our beans paste, the next thing is to add baking soda and salt to it. The baking soda is to help reduce gas and bloating when we consume the Tubani. After adding the baking soda and salt, I'll mix this very well and set it aside. Into a pot, I'll pour in some water, so the amount of water we add should not be too much. This water is to help steam the batter so that we can have our Tubani. I'll also line the bottom of the pot with some of the leaves that I'll be using to wrap the Tubani. The leaves will help with the steaming process and also make sure that the Tubani does not get burnt while cooking. Then here comes the most interesting part, using the leaves to wrap the batter. This is how we wrap the batter for our Tubani. Just look at what I'm doing on the screen and follow the process. And now we are done with the wrapping. The next thing is to place this on fire. So I've already set the fire. I'll go ahead and place it on the fire. Then I'll use some of the leaves to cover it very well to trap the steam so that Tubani can cook very well and fast. The cooking process usually takes about 20 to 35 minutes. So after covering this, I will allow it to cook until it is ready. This is after about 30 minutes. Let's see if our Tubani is ready. If you are gaining value from this video, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you. Our Tubani is ready. It's time for us to prepare our oil. So into a pan, I've added some oil, allowed it to get hot, then I added some chopped onions. I'll allow the onions to fry until it gets brown, and then we'll use this to enjoy our Tubani. You can also enjoy the Tubani with some shito, but we mostly prefer using the oil with some pounded pepper and salt. Just look at that. Please, if you have some beans, you can go ahead and give this recipe a try. Trust me, you will really enjoy it. If this video has been helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please leave a comment down below. Thank you.